Just want to say good morning to everybody out here in Truck Malforms land. First off, I want to say we really appreciate everything you're doing. And I kind of want to give you a behind-the-scenes look at what goes on here at TMF. Starting from support, shipping, and all of that. You know, we bootstrapped this. We started from nothing, and now we built up a good reputation in the industry by offering the finest products in the industry, and we want to continue doing that. But however, at times we're going to run into a couple little problems. There's going to be some growing pains. So I kind of want to start first off with Matt. We've got Matt Smith over here.
Hey guys, how are ya?
I want to talk up too, because remember, come on up a little closer, Mary. We got Matt over here, and Matt handles support. Tell us, Matt, when a person has an issue, what should they do first if there is a shipping issue? First of all, we try to shoot for 100% satisfaction. We back up everything 100%. If you're not happy, we're not happy. Okay, go ahead, Matt.
So anytime you have an issue, any kind of issue whatsoever, there's too much or too little chemical, or something spilled, it was stolen, not the right things are in the shipment, whatever happens, you'll want to come to us first. Now, the best way to do that is to call us, 800-949-7726, email support@truckmountforums.com, use the live chat on our website, or if all else fails, if you're on Facebook, you can message Truck Mount Forums Facebook page, and it all comes into a single center for myself, Rob III, and soon Jason to help support you. So anytime you have an issue, problem, questions even, feel free to use any of those resources, and I will be able to help you within 24 hours.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you know, last but not least, if you need anything else, feel like you've got a question or something like that you need answered, they can generally handle just about anything. But if you think it's going to be a complex question, feel free to tag me on it, and I'll be glad to help you any way I possibly can. Okay, over here, I'm going to go to the next little area here. We got Jason over here. How you doing, Jason?
Hey, what's going on?
And Jason basically oversees the shipping and the orders, and what do we put inside of here, and how are we now stepped it up, because we have had a couple packages break or containers break and stuff like that. What have we done to change that?
Well, we implemented a new system where we have, a second person come and quality check each package and make sure that everything is correct inside the box and going to the customer.
Cool. And on the containers themselves, what are we doing?
On the containers, we are taping up the lids.
Yep, running a nice little layer of tape around the lid so that way, you know, they'll hold together better. Unfortunately, since we've grown so fast, I think the UPS guy and the USPS guy, they're not always fond of picking up all these packages, and they probably don't get treated as good as they should. Hey, what are you putting in there right now?
Right now, I'm putting in some scratchers, some free giveaways and discounts for our customers.
Yeah, Andrew Juckwork, as a matter of fact, I believe he won the Vibe, the Haas Orbot Vibe. So we've had people, we're doing some really great giveaways, so make sure you get your scratch offs. It really helps you. You get a discount and stuff like that. And then we've
the new pens.
Oh yeah, we got the pens. The pens are back in, so hopefully we'll be able to throw as much swag in there as we possibly can. Remember, they're lighted. That's kind of cool. And they work at both ends. Just a beautiful little pen. You'll love it. Plus, it's got Truck Mount Forums on there. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And then we've got Tristan over here. You want to just say hi, Tristan? Right. Basically, what we got Tristan doing is he takes the containers out like this Grout Master right here. He takes the Grout Master out. He's getting it ready to go by putting the tape on there, making sure the lids are nice and tight, because sometimes the machines don't tighten them completely, and we want to just do a little extra tightening on them, get them going. We've got labels printing up here. You can see up here, if you come in and you're local, if you want to pick up any Rob Secret Formula, or BioPro, or Grout Master, or USOR Unchained, by the way, that stuff is off the charts. We can barely make it fast enough. I promise you that is the best urine product that's ever came out, just like our Grout Master. We're always seeking to make the absolute best of everything and take no shortcuts. The finest ingredients, the highest quality ingredients, and the highest amount of ingredients. That really makes a difference. And being somebody who cleaned for many years or decades in the trenches, I know what works, what doesn't work, and I won't be satisfied with low quality. Okay, two more things I want to show. We've got Carlos over here. How you doing, Carlos?
Hello.
Carlos is making our samples. So remember, you can go inside of our tmfshop.net. You can get your samples. He's making some Rob Secret Formula right now. Remember, this is 99% free and clear, but actually, this is the alkaline when it comes to the blue label. Yeah, I need a prescription update. Yes, I do. That's the alkaline rinse. Okay, so he's making some alkaline rinses right now. Remember, you can get all of our products, just about all of our products, in a sample form. Now, suppose you've got a piece of equipment that you might have had an issue with and it's not working properly. Well, we got you covered for that also. We've got Brian over here. And you've probably seen Crazy Brian here in a couple of videos.
Like, wait a minute.
Yeah, he tried to blow up my equipment over there and stuff like that. Does a bunch of funny videos. He's just funny overall. I'm not just talking about funny looking either.
Hey.
All right, that's terrible. But anyway, you know, we got the full tool set over here. Over here, we've got a nice warehouse with all of our chemicals and our stuff in there. And if you got any problems with machines in your local, feel free to bring them here. Or if you got any equipment, you got any questions, you can contact Brian after he goes through Matt, of course. Make sure you go through Matt first and our support and our 1-800 number. It'll get over to Brian if there's something that's technical you need to have any help with. He can walk you through just about anything. So that's a valuable resource. We really do appreciate that, Brian.
Yeah, no
Just
problem.
want to let you know that. And that doesn't mean you're getting the raise today. All right. So and last but not least, Matt, I wanted to mention one more thing, Matt, in support. Now, Matt usually works up front, but I had him come back here for the video and use his computer. Would you mind telling them about Saturday, what we've added now for Saturdays to separate us?
UPS in select areas is picking up and delivering on Saturdays. For our area, they are picking up, which means when we ship on Saturdays, it will be to you a day earlier than it usually will be. Now again, UPS doesn't usually count weekends, so your area might be restricted for Saturday and Sunday delivery. But as of now, on Saturdays, we will be shipping both USPS and UPS. So you can get those cases and pails a little bit quicker.
Cool, cool. So they're stepping it up. And will that go nationwide eventually?
It will go nationwide. We're
Cool.
a test market. But
How about USPS? I've had some people tell me they got their packages on Sundays from the post office.
Yes.
Why is that?
The USPS has also been a little bit ahead of the game on that.
Oh,
They've been
good.
delivering on Sundays already because of their contract with Amazon. They've kind of had to. So
Okay,
they've
cool,
been-
cool, cool. All right, so you know we have the forum. We have the largest forum on the planet, truckmountforums.com. You know we have over a couple million posts over there, and we can help you with anything. It's just a huge, valuable resource. Then we've got our Facebook page for cleaning professionals, Truck Mount Forums Cleaning Professionals, where you can get instant answers to about anything. So please utilize those resources to grow your business. I wish I'd have had something like that when I first started. God only knows how large I'd be today. So remember, there's a lot more to Truck Mount Forums than meets the eyes. We have the support here for you. We want to be able to help you through any situation. Don't hesitate to reach out. You've got my 35 years of experience. You've got all these guys with IT help and repair help, chemistry. We've got it all. We've got you covered. Everything you need, including equipment, which we're adding all the time. So don't forget that. Well, I'm Rob Allen with Truck Mount Forums. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have yourself a great day.